In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change nickname job title on mobile. We'll walk through the exact taps you need to make so you can update your job title right from your phone quickly and confidently. Start by opening the app and heading to your profile. Look at the top left corner of the screen and tap your profile icon or profile picture. If you're taken to a mini overview, tap it once more to open your full account profile. This brings you to the place where all your information lives. Now scroll through your profile until you find the Experience section. This is where your positions are listed. Tap the pencil icon to begin editing. You'll see your roles laid out, and next to the position you want to change, there will be another pencil icon on the right. Tap that to open the editor for that specific job. In the job title field, delete the old title and type the new one. For example, if it currently says co-owner and you want it to say owner, simply replace the text accordingly. Take a moment to make sure the capitalization and spelling are exactly how you want them to appear, since this title may be visible across your profile and search results. Before saving, review the other details below the title to make sure everything is still accurate. Check the company name, dates, location, employment type, and any descriptions you've added. If they look good, you're all set. If you spot anything outdated, fix it now so your profile stays consistent and professional. Once you're confident everything is correct, tap Save at the top of the screen. Your changes will apply right away, and your job title will be updated in your Experience section. In many apps, this also refreshes your visible headline information wherever that role is featured, so expect to see the new title reflected across your profile after a moment. That's the whole process. Open your profile, go to Experience, tap the pencil for the role you want to change, update the job title, verify the details below, and save. It's a simple update that makes a big difference in how your profile appears to others, whether you're clarifying your role, correcting a typo, or reflecting a recent change. If this walkthrough helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.